Hello everyone, my name is Nishay, and I decided to take an elective on children and families who are at risk because I currently work with this population. For some time, I was working with children who are at risk between the ages of 5 and 13 at a behavioral health hospital. And I then completed my internship at a child welfare agency. And within that agency, we worked with both children and families who were at risk. What I hope to learn um, in this class is how to understand this population and how to effectively communicate with this population. I hope that I can gain some useful tools that I can use to become an overall effective worker. One thing I think my classmates should know in regards to how I feel about child abuse is I don't really know how I feel about child abuse because I've worked with victims of child abuse, and for the longest I had it in my mind that it's wrong and the perpetrator should be punished. However, after taking different courses and working in the field, I started to gain a better understanding of child abuse. And I started to understand that not everyone understands that they are participating in child abuse. It doesn't have to be physically or sexually, it can be emotionally or verbally. And what I hope is that by the end of the course, I gain an even better understanding of child abuse, and I'm able to then maybe explain how I feel about child abuse. And that's pretty much it about me. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you all have a great week. And I look forward to watching everyone else's videos.